Imagine waking up in a motorhome where the morning light pours through wide windows. You step into a full-size shower, brew your morning coffee, and with smooth 9-speed automatic, you roll into the world with complete freedom. Today, we're exploring a compact RV designed for full-time living, the Carado I447 Clever Edition. There's something special about compact motorhomes that feel far bigger on the inside than you expect. Something that makes you look around and think, yes, I could actually live in this. The Carado I447 Clever Edition is exactly that kind of RV. In this narration, we're going to take a calm, detailed walk through one of the most surprisingly practical full-time motorhomes of its size. We'll explore the interior, the comfort features, the big shower bathroom, and how that 9-speed automatic transforms long trips into something truly effortless. So sit back, imagine yourself on the open road, and let's step inside. At first glance, the Carado I447 Clever Edition looks compact, clean, and modern. Its lines are simple but confident. Nothing flashy, but everything purposeful. The front has that wide panoramic windshield that instantly tells you you're driving an A-class motorhome. The full-size mirrors, the LED daytime running lights, and the big driver's field of view all add to that unmistakable touring feel. If you're someone who wants the comfort of a big RV without the overwhelming size, the I447 strikes a perfect balance. Moving along the sides, the Clever Edition package adds subtle trims and badges, giving just enough character without going overboard. You also get multiple exterior storage doors, perfect for chairs, tools, hoses, and all the road trip essentials you don't want filling up your living area. And then at the back, you find a large rear garage. This is the kind of storage full-time travelers really appreciate. Bikes, camping tables, sports gear, a toolbox, it all fits easily. And the loading height is practical enough that you never feel like you're wrestling with heavy items. For a compact A-class, the exterior looks neat, confident, and completely ready for long journeys. Now let's step inside where the real magic begins. The moment you enter the interior, one thing becomes clear. This motorhome is designed to feel like home, not just a weekend camper. The living lounge has a bright, open layout thanks to the large windows and the skylight above. During the day, you hardly need artificial lighting. Natural daylight fills the space beautifully. The seating is comfortable and plush, with enough room for a couple traveling full-time, or even a small family. The captain seats rotate to become part of the lounge, creating that cozy evening space where you can relax, have a meal, or plan your next destination. What really stands out is the atmosphere. Light wood tones, soft fabrics, and warm LED lighting give it a modern, Scandinavian-style feel, calming, clean, and genuinely inviting. Overhead cabinets wrap around a lounge area, offering deep and useful storage. For long trips, that makes a huge difference. Everything has its place. Everything stays tidy. Moving into the kitchen, the theme continues, small, but extremely practical. You get a 3-burner hob, a stainless steel sink, and an impressive amount of countertop space for a compact RV. Many small motorhomes sacrifice counter space, but not this one. The drawers are wide, soft close, and deep enough for pots, pans, and all your cooking essentials. There's also a tall fridge with a separate freezer, which is a massive advantage for full-time travelers. You can store weekly groceries without playing Tetris every time you put things away. The entire kitchen works like a bigger one, but fits beautifully into the compact layout. And now we move to what is arguably the star of the show, the bathroom. The Carado i447 features a truly impressive full-size shower and a separate toilet and sink area. The shower has real height, proper elbow room, and solid doors, no flimsy curtains. You can actually move around comfortably, which is rare in motorhomes this size. The opposite washroom area includes a modern sink, a wide mirror, and well-designed storage for toiletries. Bright lighting makes the space feel clean and refreshing. For travelers who prioritize comfort, this bathroom setup is a game changer. It feels more like a small apartment bathroom than a compact RV washroom. As you move into the rear bedroom, you'll find 2 large twin beds that can convert into one massive sleeping space. This layout is loved by many because it's practical and extremely comfortable. You get easy access from both sides, large storage areas below the beds, overhead cabinets, reading lights, and USB ports for charging at night. With windows and a skylight, the airflow is great, and the room feels spacious. It's a quiet, private corner where you can unwind after long travel days. Now let's talk about the driving experience, because this is where many RVs differ, and the i447 shines. The 9-speed automatic transmission transforms this motorhome into a smooth, effortless traveler. Acceleration feels natural, cruising becomes quieter, and long journeys feel far less tiring. The panoramic windshield creates a wide, open driving view that gives you both confidence and comfort. Whether you're navigating mountain roads, narrow town streets, or highways, you feel in control and relaxed. It genuinely delivers that premium A-class driving experience. There are plenty of practical touches too. Insulated water tanks for winter travel, an efficient heating system, USB charging points at key locations, a large wardrobe, strong ambient lighting for evenings, a drop-down front bed for guests, and fly screens and blinds on every window. Everything is placed logically and made for real daily use, not just occasional camping. So what makes the Carado I447 Clever Edition stand out? It's the combination of real-life practicality, comfort, and ease of travel. A full-size shower, a clever bedroom layout, a bright lounge, a tall fridge, a massive rear garage, and that smooth 9-speed automatic. All in a motorhome that's compact enough to drive comfortably across countries. It doesn't try to be ultra-luxury. It tries to be genuinely livable, and that's why it works so well. Now I want to know your thoughts. Which feature impressed you the most? Was it the big shower, the rear beds, the lounge, or the 9-speed automatic? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your opinions, and they really help the channel grow. The Carado I447 Clever Edition proves that you don't need a huge motorhome to feel at home on the road. The right layout, the right comfort features, and the right atmosphere can create your own personal world of freedom. Whether you dream of weekend trips or full-time life on the road, this compact RV shows that comfort doesn't have to be sacrificed. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more calm and detailed motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.